Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is part 3 of Foldable number 2. You can't really see this one, so I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite it over here. But this was supposed to be t to the, I think, negative 2 over 7. And it looks like a giant plus sign, but no, that's t to the negative 2 over 7. And let's get rid of this equal sign. So this is going to be equal to, we're going to go ahead and write this in our, and I believe this one was rewrite everything from, see, we're going to convert for either from radical to convert to radical to exponential, or exponential to radical. Right now we have exponential form, so we're going to convert it to radical form. But the first thing we always want to do before we do any of this is, if you ever have a negative exponential value, what we're going to do is we're going to change it to make it positive. So we're going to put it 1 over t to the 2 over 7. Then we know we have our m over n, so we have our 1 over t square root, the 7th root of t squared. But we're going to go ahead and rewrite that over here. 1 over the 7th root of t squared. And in order to, we technically would be done, but we actually have to rationalize the denominator. So in order to rationalize the denominator, we have to have, we need 7 copies, but we only have 2. So we need 5 more copies of a 7th root of t. So t to the 5th power. And whatever we do the denominator, we also have to do the numerator. So we have a 7th root of t to the 5th power. This would give us our equal to 1 times this is just the 7th root of t to the 5th power over 7th root of t squared times the 7th root of t to the 5th would give us the 7th root of t to the 7th. This will simplify the denominator, well, at least rationalize the denominator, giving us the, I'm going to do it in green, it would give us a 7th root of t to the 5th divided by just t. And this would be our answer right here. I thought I was going to need more room, but I didn't. So this is it, the 7th root of t to the 5th power over t. The next one here, we're going to go from a radical expression to a exponential form. This one is a little bit different than we usually have, because usually we have the power here. Now we have the power on the outside. But I'm going to show you how that's basically the same thing. So we're going to rewrite this like we normally would when you have 3 copies. We're going to just do the 4th root of b times the 4th root of b times the 4th root of b. And these are the 3 copies that we got for the exponential form. But we know when we have the same index, we can multiply the variables that are in, or the constants or whatever that's in the inside. So I can rewrite this as the 4th root of b cubed. Now I can go ahead and say that this is going to be equal to our m over n. So it's going to be b to the 3 over 4, which is actually what our answer is. But I want you guys to know that this is it's not per se in your booklet, but I want you to know that this is how it works. It's n to the xm is equal to x to the m times 1 over n, which is basically what we had over here. So we can say that our x to the n, which is what we have, well, I'll just show you what I mean right here. So if we go ahead and rewrite this here, rewrite it in black again. So we have our 4 root to the b cubed is going to be the same thing when we do it, because this here is actually b cubed to the 1/4, which would give us a b to the 3/4.